Hi everyone, this is a quick video on how we can use DBeaver to view and run SQL queries on a Parquet file. As of now, there are not many tools this can do this. I think there are a couple of extensions on IntelliJ IDE, and there's also open source tool, but most of them are uh, not widely used. But now with DBeaver, we can use the DuckDB database, the embedded database, to actually open the Parquet file and also run SQL queries on them. So let's open DBeaver, and to actually set this up for the first time, we have to install the DuckDB connector or the driver. So you can simply select the database and type DuckDB, click next, and here in the path, we need to mention a special value colon. So this will ensure that the DuckDB database will run in memory. So it will be running within the memory space of DBeaver. Uh, Next, I can click on finish, and we should have a, yeah. So right now, since this is the first time I am opening DuckDB from DBeaver, I need to install the driver. So if I click on download, it should fetch the latest DuckDB driver and install it in DBeaver. All right, so once this is done, I simply have to click SQL editor, open SQL script, and now we can say select start from and give the full path of the Parquet file. Here's the Parquet file. I can click shift, copy as path. If I click on run, I should be able to see the Parquet file data and along with all the columns and column types. So this is, it should show us all the data that is present in the Parquet file. Along with this, we also have the benefit of being able to run SQL on Parquet file. So I can simply say select star from my Parquet file where ID equal to 3. And if I click on run, so the records are filtered out and I see just one record. Also, we see the timestamp here, which the column name, column type. Here it says integer. Here it says varchar. So we also are able to see the data types. This is supported by DuckDB. There is a documentation for it. There are a couple of other things as well that we can try. For example, we should be able to read multiple Parquet files. And there's also a way to mention the glob expressions, Parquet file, and DuckDB. DuckDB supports some of the features that are popular in Parquet. For example, filter pushdowns, projection pushdown. This is natively supported by DuckDB. Along with that, we should also be able to see the metadata of Parquet file. So for example, if I just remove the filter here, and Parquet metadata and give the path of the file. All right, So I should be able to see all the columns. So I have, I think, 13 columns here. So you see 13 columns along with the types. It says integer and the data type. I see row group size, and all the footer statistics from the Parquet file should be visible here. This documentation is uh, some of the things here might not work from DBeaver. This is mostly for programmatic use of DuckDB, but in our case, to simply view the Parquet file data and statistics, this should be good enough. All right, so that is it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Thank you.